Hi, welcome to my channel Cloud with Girish. On December 3rd, 2024, during the reInvent keynote, AWS announced support for 5 additional models designed for generative AI use cases across text, image, vision, and video. With these new additions, alongside Amazon Titan, there are now 13 Amazon models available via the Amazon Bedrock service to address diverse business use cases. This count does not even include the other third-party model Bedrock supports, such as Anthropic, Stable AI, Meta, and many others. The 5 new models announced are Amazon Nova Micro, Amazon Nova Lite, Amazon Nova Pro, Amazon Nova Canvas, and Amazon Nova Real. Excited about these advancements, I decided to update one of my transcript summarization API with the Nova Micro Foundation model. This API leverages Amazon Bedrock and Lambda to deliver generative AI capabilities. When I updated the underlying foundation model to Amazon Nova Micro, the entire process updating, building, validating, and redeploying the API took less than 5 minutes. Below is the link to the video describing this process. In this video, I will demonstrate another model from the Amazon Nova family, Amazon Nova Reel. I will use the Nova Reel model to create a video clip from a static image, which will be provided as input to the model. Let's follow the step for this generative AI use case using Amazon Bedrock, Lambda, and Amazon Nova Reel Foundation model. Let's look at the architecture. We have the API hosted via API gateway, and I am passing the call center transcript as a prompt, which is getting consumed by the Lambda function, and Lambda function in turn is invoking the Bedrock service. Bedrock service is using the Amazon Nova Foundation model, which in this case is the Amazon Nova Reel. I have some guardrail applied here, and then eventually the model will generate the output, and that output will be provided back to the consumer. Now, in this example, while there is an API that I can do, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to use the Amazon Playground. Prerequisite for this is familiarity with AWS console. Watching prior video on Gen AI, Bedrock, Lambda API solutions on my channel will be helpful. There are 2 specific links here. One is for the summarization use case where I updated, I was using a foundation model to create a transcript summary. And the second link here is basically updating that to the Nova Micro model. So let's get started. We're going to look at what is Amazon Nova. We'll request access to the Nova Reel model. I'm going to use Playground, but the same can be done through the API solution that I was talking about earlier. I am going to feed the image to the foundation model, and then I will monitor the video clip generation progress, and then we're going to look at the final result, which is the static image, which is the input, and then generated video clip, which is the output of the model. So first thing first, let's request access to Amazon Nova Reel. So this is the first step because just this is a new model. You likely don't have access to the model until you request it. So in my case, the process took less than 20 seconds to request the access for Amazon Nova Reel model. And once you get access granted, you will see this kind of message under your model access. Next, let's look at the Amazon Bedrock Playground. I used Amazon Bedrock Playground to experience with Nova Reel Foundation model. So for this, from Amazon Management Console, navigate to Bedrock Playground and select Nova Reel model. Because this model is to generate the video, you will need to accept confirm for S3 as bucket will be created to store the generated video clip. Because this video clip we're talking about, it needs a storage to store the generated clip. Next, let's feed the static image through the playground. So earlier this year, I took a New York skyline camera shot. I'm going to feed this camera pic to Amazon Nova Reel model, and I will ask to create a video clip. So I'm uploading it through the playground, and here is my reference image, and then this image is what model going to use to generate the video clip. Now this entire process, the prompt is very important. So let's look at the prompt that I'm passing to this model. The prompt engineering is an important aspect of generative AI. So we need to ensure that prompt is clear and precise to guide the model effectively. So here is an example prompt that I am using. So I'm saying first person view, aerial shot, NYC skyline, 4K cinematic in a sunny day, and dolly in to create that effect. Once I provided the prompt, it will start the generation process, and Amazon Nova Reel Playground, it's going to provide me a real-time progress update as it generates the video clip. So this is how the message will look like. It will say in progress, and once it's completed, I'm going to see that message has changed to success. So once the video clip generation is successful, I have the option to either open it in S3 bucket or download that video. It will download the video in MP4 format. This video clip is automatically stored in the S3 bucket, so we can delete it from there, and we can also delete the bucket so that you don't incur ongoing cloud cost for this S3 bucket. Here is the view of final result, static image and generated video clip. So this was the static image that I fed to the model through the playground. And this is the generated clip that it has created. So it's pretty neat that how it took that static image and created, like, you know, the detail. Actually, like you can see the cars, running cars like over the bridge. So pretty neat how the clip has been generated by this model. So this was another example of generative AI use case. AWS continue to add models, and it's exciting to see many options to pick from when it comes to foundation models. So in this workshop, I have successfully demonstrated how to use Amazon Nova Reel foundation model to create a video clip from a static image. Foundation models are the core of generative AI solutions. AWS Playground and Amazon Bedrock provides the flexibility to experiment with and utilize various foundation models effortlessly. Exploring different models help you determine which one best suits your business use case while also aligning with your cost consideration. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm constantly working on new content covering various AWS topics, so please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the Cloud with Girish channel. Your support helps me continue creating valuable AWS tutorial and workshop. Stay tuned for more exciting content.